With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So hello everyone, let's start our question. So here's the question is, in perfectly elastic collision between two masses m1 and m2 in one dimension, energy transfer is maximum when? So in one dimension, the elastic collision is between two bodies m1 and m2. The energy transfer is maximum when their masses are equal. When their masses are equal, because the mass of a body determines how impact or thrust it is going to provide, okay, on the body, or we can say object it is hitting. Okay, so here fourth option is correct. M1 and M2 is equal. That's it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.